Atlanta Center, good afternoon. Bonanza 934 Tango, level 9,000.
Bonanza 934 Tango, Atlanta Center, good evening. Austin's altimeter 3018.
18.
Delta 1635, contact Atlanta approach 28.0.
Twin Cessna 5720, Mike starting at VFR descent out of 6,500.
20 Mike, roger. Contact Atlanta approach 132.47.
13247 for 20, I'm sorry, 13247 for 20 Mike today.
Flight set 424, descend and maintain 1000, Atlanta altimeter 3018. Center 34 Tango, contact rear approach 118.8.
18834 Tango. Rear approach Bonanza 934 Tango, level 9,000.
Bonanza 934 Tango, rear approach, for altimeter 3020.
3020.
Number 34 Tango, contact Asheville approach 124.65, we'll see you.
2465, C34 Tango. Asheville approach, good afternoon. Bonanza 934 Tango, leveling 6,000 with whiskey.
November 934 Tango, Asheville approach, 3 vectors in descent for the visual to runway 35.
Okay, vectors visual 35, thank you, 34 Tango.
Western 72 X-ray traffic off your right wing, correction, west-southwest is a Boeing 717 out of 9.3 for 8,000 cautionary turbulence.
Roger, we're looking at 7 direction.
Delta 1434 traffic, 11 o'clock, 3 miles maneuvering Skyhawk 5,500.
Look at Delta 1434.
Center 34 Tango, Asheville Airport, 10 o'clock, 12 miles.
Have the field inside, 34 Tango.
Center 34 Tango, cleared visual approach runway 35.
The visual 35, 34 Tango.
Center 34 Tango, contact tower 121.1.
Contact tower 34 Tango. Asheville Tower, Bonanza 934 Tango, inbound visual 35.
Bonanza 934 Tango, Asheville Tower, wind 35010, gust 14, runway 35, clear to land.
Runway 35, clear to land, 34 Tango.
Western 2 Juliet Papa rejoining the downwind.
Western 2 Juliet Papa, roger, traffic to follow is on a mile final, Bonanza, descending to 3,000, just ahead and to your left.
I was looking for the traffic. Western 2 Juliet Papa. I have the traffic in sight, Western 2 Juliet Papa.
Western 2 Juliet Papa, roger, that traffic does have to go down to Alpha 6 to get off. The wind's 350-9er, runway 35, clear for the option number 2, call to Bonanza.
Following the traffic, clear for the option 25, for runway 35, Western 2 Juliet Papa. Asheville Tower, Western 73 X-ray, straight in 35.
Western 73 X-ray, wind 35010, runway 35, clear to land.
Clear to land 35, Western 73 X-ray.
34 Tango, Alpha 6 Alpha to parking, remain this frequency.
Alpha 6, Alpha to parking, we'll stay with you, 34 Tango.